welcome back to Panchita's Corner. Today we got another Verydice thing. And can you guys guess what that is? You might know from the title. Let's see. Guys, we got some Milano cookies. Dark chocolate. If you guys don't believe us, here's our Verydice little thing that they sent. You guys can see. You guys can pause the video and read it. If you guys don't want to pause the video, a gift for you. Thanks for playing Verydice, Francisca. Enjoy. This was 18,000 tickets. Before we got it, it was 13, but we got it just in time before it turned to 18. So that was crazy. And it comes with 2 in each one, and I'm pretty sure there's 2. Yeah, they ship it through Amazon Prime, so it came in 2 days. There's 10 packets. There's 10 packets, you guys. So this is the cookies. And Verydice, our code will be in the description, so you guys can look at our code and you guys can get rolls and you guys can get tickets to get, like, you guys can get some of these cookies, or you guys can get the bath bombs we got, or you guys can get the diapers. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell to never miss another video, because we could make another video of more Verydice so you guys won't miss it. So, bye! Let's see. Hey guys, so I'm gonna try cookie. You guys can see. They might be cracked because they're shipping to your house. You can find from the store, but they're shipping, so. Guys, that is so good.